Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorial how to add viewport. So you can go to sheet tab and in here we have default viewport. You can click, press delete button to delete the viewport. Now if you want to add new viewport, you can tap view, press enter. Now I will click from this point into here. So it will be add the new viewport. Okay, you can tap again, view, press enter, and I will add viewport at this area. As example, you can draw model in here. I will draw rectangle. And the next I will draw circle. Go into sheet 1, and then you can see we have this viewport. I will insert rectangle, and the second I will insert the circle object. Okay, that's it for a basic Draftsight tutorial, how to add viewport. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.